goes to just not want to go anywhere because my skin is just not up to par. And I know how it feels to see everyone else with such great skin and resent them, honestly, for it. So I want to get you out of your room, outside, and not all anxious because your skin is dry and you're scared that, you know, throughout the day a dry patch will just come up. I want to get you outside and comfortable and confident with your skin. That just plays a whole big part in your overall psyche, your overall mood, okay? Now, before I start my tips, I just want to let y'all know I enjoy facts. I look for facts and origins and reasons as to why facts are in fact facts. I do so because I was once helpless and dry and, you know, patchy, scouring the internet, coming across these fake mommy blogs who have a following so they feel like they, you know about skin or whatever, telling y'all to put lemon on your face, put baking soda on your face. I was doing that. Yes, I was a clown once, all right? But I don't want y'all to be a clown. I don't want y'all to be clown-like. I don't want y'all to even in the clown family. I don't want y'all to have been tired like I was with lemon on my face. But still dry and hyperpigmentation. What I do is I follow estheticians. I search up their tweets for everything concerning eczema, dry skin, and sensitive skin. I tweet at them and they give me answers. I have not gotten a skin consultation yet because I am a student and I am frugal. But I want to let y'all know my knowledge on skincare. And let me just take my glasses off because I know y'all gonna be like, who she thinks she is trying to give me information when her skin is whatever. My skin is popping. And you know why it's popping? Because I listen to the right people and not just empty facts going around the internet.
And here's just a little slideshow to show y'all I'm actually about this eczema life. Like, I truly lived eczema. You can see here, my skin was raised. It was really bumpy, really dry, really irritated, really bruised and red. And this was all in the middle from 2018 to the middle of 2019. You can really see the dryness here, and this was in the winter. And then you can see here, this video is actually still up and you can see it in real time. Also, this video is in the beginning of 2019 when my skin really started flourishing from my dedication to skincare. This is a more recent photo. There's no makeup on except for my lips. Here, no makeup at all. I don't wear makeup. Here is my most prized picture because y'all can truly see my dedication and how hard my work has paid off. From here to here, you can see, and this is why I make these videos, because I want to spread the information for all of us to get our skin right and actually healthy and juicy.
So now that we got that out of the way, let's go to step one. So first step, whenever you're incorporating a new product into your skincare regimen, don't go and like do a whole splurge on new products and then just dump it into your skin, because you will not know what's working and what is not. So if you start like 2 new things and then your skin starts to break out, you won't know which one broke your skin out. And this is why you gotta incorporate things one by one rather than all at once, because you wanna be able, to document. And this is like step 1A, have a little skincare notebook so that you can document as you incorporate new things into your regimen, what works, what didn't, so that you can have for your own notes. And then, I guess, God forbid, you get a really allergic reaction, you have, this documentation to bring, whether to the dermatologist or hopefully not, but the emergency room of what you put on your skin. Now, with that being said, and for this next step, this is mainly why I gave that disclaimer of why I like facts, is because I know Vaseline gets such a bad rep when you're misinformed, because so many people tell you, oh, there's mineral oil in it, and that mineral oil is bad, or that it clogs your pores. It just doesn't do that, honestly. Please, like, go to an esthetician and ask, because I don't have the terminology to tell you why that does not happen, but it just does not happen. Things like Vaseline, those like ointment things, Vaseline, Aquaphor, the CeraVe healing ointment, it works because it's in that occlusive, it's in an ointment form. Those type of things act as a barrier onto your skin to keep moisture in, the moisture that you put in the previous steps of your skincare routine, keeps that moisture in, but it also keeps the haters, that is winter wind and your heater, the frenemy, your heater, out. It keeps that dryness out so that your face won't be cracked, your lips won't be cracked, and you know, you can thrive in juiciness. There was a reason as to why your parents globbed that Vaseline all over your face when you were leaving school in the morning when it was winter, to protect your skin from that harshness. And to give an example of this, you know, just think about why we use things, you know, like on our cuts, like Neosporin, and like why they're in an ointment form, because they're heavy enough to try and stop the bleeding, and because it's a cut and your skin is vulnerable, to keep any dirt and, you know, basically any like dangerous things, any bacteria, any germs out of your cut, this vulnerable cut, so that your skin can heal properly. And that's what Vaseline does for your skin. That's what these occlusive, these ointments that, you know, the dermatologist prescribes you, that, you know, doesn't always work. That's why they're in that form, because, you know, it has to protect your skin. Your skin needs to be protected. It needs to be protected more, especially since it's dry. And if you still don't believe me about, you know, the mineral oil and, you know, petroleum and, you know, Vaseline, I want you right now, go and find a reason as to why petroleum and mineral oil and basically Vaseline is bad for your skin. Go find an exact reason, like not a vague reason, find an exact reason, find it, comment it. We will be, pause this video, we will wait for you. I will wait for you. Comment it right below and tell me exactly why, concrete evidence, why it's bad for your skin. I can tell you why it's not. Well, I just told you, but I could show you why it's not. I can show you why it's not bad for your skin right here. This is a clear example, because when I tell y'all before, I used to have dry, like where you put the highlight, dry, creases, dry, and that ring, yep, right around here, dry, chin, dry. I started using Vaseline at first, then I transitioned to the CeraVe healing ointment, which I will talk about next, and now juice. What can I say? I like facts. I like evidence. And now, because these things are occlusives and they keep things out, you have to make sure you're actually adding hydration into your skin before you put them on, or else you're just gonna be harboring in dryness and keeping, you know, moisture out, which hydration out, which we do not want. Before you put it on your skin, whether it's your face or your body, make sure you have a lotion that is hydrating. Bonus points if it has colloidal oatmeal in it, because oatmeal extract or oatmeal in general really soothes our skin so well. For me in the summer, here's a tip. I love to use Aveeno Skin Relief. It's so good. I use the lotion and the body wash. It does wonders for my skin. When it comes for the winter, I need something a little thicker. So I use CeraVe lotion, and that is because it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is an amazing hydrator. I do use a separate hyaluronic acid serum as well to get extra juice. But bonus points if you find a lotion that has hyaluronic acid in it and oatmeal. That feels so good. I feel like even at night, you could probably layer those lotions on top of each other. Seal it in. And then wake up like glowing. Wake up your 7-month-old self because your skin will be soft as a baby. And that is no cap. Here, lastly, are some estheticians and, you know, actual skincare pretty much experts in my eyes because they help me so much with my skin. To follow on Twitter. You're also able to follow them on Instagram if you don't use Twitter. I just want to let y'all know, listening to estheticians is really the way to go. The difference between estheticians and dermatologists is that estheticians are there for like your everyday health. Dermatologists are there for your skin emergencies. Like estheticians are doctors, dermatologists are, you know, the emergency room surgeon or whatever, you know? Like just think of it like that. And that's pretty much it. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video and that this video was able to really inform you. That is what I love. You know, YouTube, we're in the age of information. YouTube is a great avenue for information. Thank y'all so much for watching me ramble. I truly do wish and hope that I was able to help. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, bye.